Good morning, students. Welcome back to the e-learning program of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, we are going to start a new lesson, Coal and Petroleum. That is lesson number 5. Students, we use various things or materials in our life: food, clothes, furniture, water, air, to fulfill our basic needs and for our comfortable living. These basic needs are obtained from nature, so they are called natural resources. So the material present in nature and useful to us to meet our basic needs are called natural resources. Air, water, soil, coal, petroleum, minerals, plants, animals, rainfall are natural resources. Natural resources are of two types: inexhaustible or exhaustible natural resources. Inexhaustible natural resources means the natural resources which are present in nature in unlimited quantity and not likely to be exhausted by human activity. For example, sunlight, air, water, rainfall, sand, soil are inexhaustible natural resources which cannot be finished by human activity. Number 2, exhaustible natural resources. These resources are present in nature in limited quantity and they can be finished, they can be exhausted by human activity. For example, forest, mineral, coal, petroleum, natural gas are exhaustible natural resources. They can be finished by human, they cannot be finished, they can be finished by human activity. Exhaustible natural resources are of two types: renewable and non-renewable. Renewable natural resources can be replenished themselves by quick recycling and replacement within a period of time if properly managed. Soil, forest, wildlife. Suppose forest trees has been cut down at larger scale. The trees may be planted again. Afforestation can be done and the forest can be created again. So they are renewable resource. But some resources cannot be replenished, like coal, petroleum and natural gas. These are non-renewable natural resources which cannot be replenished by themselves by recycling or replacement in due course of time. They once used, they are lost forever. So you can say, in short, those natural exhaustible resources which are used once are lost forever are called renewable natural, non-renewable natural resources, like coal, petroleum, natural gas. These resources, when once burnt, cannot be replenished. They will lost. And therefore, it is suggested to use natural resources, non-renewable natural resources, coal, petroleum and natural gas, to use wisely, because once used, they will last forever. My dear student, in this lesson, we will learn about exhaustible, non-renewable natural resources, that is about coal, petroleum and natural gas. These resources are used as fuel. They are known as fossil fuels. So what is fossils? The dead remains of plants and animals buried under the earth crust for millions of years are called fossils. And the material which are burnt to produce heat are called fuels. Since coal, petroleum and natural gas are burnt to get heat or to produce heat, they are obtained from fossils. They are formed from fossils, and therefore coal, petroleum and natural gas are called fossil fuels. My dear students, we will learn about coal, petroleum and natural gas in this chapter. See you next day. Thank you.